Boston Ripping Rollers in the coop. Sunday morning. A little rainy out there. As you can see, the birds laid some eggs. Those two got eggs over there. The yellows and the yellow model got eggs. I don't know who's on that bottom nest box. And the brown spreads got eggs over there in that corner. The Kumaro pair, the black and whites, those eggs should be hatching. The yellows where that black and white just flew, those eggs should be hatching. We'll see what happens here. If everybody's gonna hatch. All the whites got eggs over there. I don't know if the black and whites, they lay any eggs yet? I can't see underneath her. I don't know. Yeah, she's got an egg. Black and white. The red models have an egg. Yeah, so everybody's laying. Just hope everybody hatches. I just fed them some pellets. I put a little handful of grain on top of it. I got them eating. Red checks should be coming down on eggs soon too. There were some pretty deep birds in Chelsea. I hope they ain't too deep like at roll downs. But there's their nest right there. There's no eggs in it yet. Yeah. That black saddle there clipped its wing and never healed. See the way it's sagging? Like, it's all messed up. Yeah, I got two more pair outside. I think I'm gonna keep them in that breeding cage. See what happens. I got Andalusian and a black and white hen. And who's the other pair? Shit, I forgot who the other pair was. Yeah. Oh, I got a lavender and a black and white hen. The black and white hen comes from lavenders, so we'll see what they throw. Yeah. Yeah, that black and white, I believe, comes from lavenders. That almond's chasing his hen around like crazy. There she is, there he is. I put another nest bowl in there because I seen them was trying to take that bottom nest bowl. But I figured throw another bowl in there up on top. The nest front there. That box with the nest front. Got 2 bowls in it. Hoping they make a nest up there. So he's really chasing it too. Lavender up there feeding the youngster. Lavender just went up there. Should be feeding his youngster next. I guess not yet. But it's what it is. Up there squeaking. Now. Yeah, he's up there feeding. I mean, I don't like feeding the birds pellets, but when it comes to feeding youngsters, I don't mind it then, because once the pellets hit the water, it swells up and it fills the youngsters up really good. I mean, it puts a lot of meat on them, so as they're getting bigger, they got a better chance of surviving. That's what I believe anyhow. Other people might do other things, but I just figured give the youngsters a better chance. And when you're feeding them, I know the parents, they like to pick their own seed out to feed the youngsters. And when that seed's not in there, the youngsters don't get fed so well. So I figure if it's just pellets, they don't really have much to choose from, you know. So, yeah, I think pellets is the way to go. Just that it gets the coop really filthy. You clean it up a lot more with the pellets. The seeds, it's not so bad, but the pellets, they shit like chickens. Another reason why I don't really like to feed them pellets, but I do it just for the youngsters. To give them a little better support. I hope that young lab up there, the youngster's alright. I don't see him feeding it. Usually feeds it like around now after he eats. Youngster might be cold. So I don't want to move around to get the food. But that youngster did so. They're about the same age. I think I just banded that one yesterday. I gotta check it, matter of fact. Make sure it got banded. Yeah, the yellow's in there with the almond youngsters. Yeah, the youngster's gonna be okay in there. Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a great day and be safe.